what do people get most emotional about in the transaction that gets in the way? I would say negotiations of any kind, because usually they get offended for some reason. We have 3 moments in the transaction where you can negotiate things. The first moment is attorney review. When the offer gets accepted, it goes to both attorneys, and attorneys negotiate additional paragraphs of the contract. Then the next moment is post-inspection negotiations. It's usually very offensive to sellers because they have this gorgeous house, and then this buyer comes in and they want the seller to repair stuff or to fix something that the seller didn't have any idea that it was existing there. And then again it happens when the house doesn't appraise. So when we get the appraisal from the bank, it should appraise at the purchase price. And if it doesn't, again, sellers get offended because they think my house is not worth that much. This is BS because my neighbor's house sold for this and this. And the buyer gets worried if the house doesn't appraise because he says, okay, so I'm overpaying for something. I'm not ready to overpay for this. Something is wrong with the house. But again, it's emotional. People usually get offended, and that's when the deals fall through. That's why it's important to have a good agent who can give you solutions to those problems.